Hi there. All right, let's jump right in. This is a client site. All of these examples we designed and developed 100% ourselves. This is what we call a hero section. In this case, I think really portrays a lot of value. We received a lot of cool feedback for it, which obviously makes us very proud. We did a lot of custom work for this like an interactive visualization here of the processes. Some interactions here, some animations. Obviously, all of this is very responsive to all kind of devices, as all of our work always is and will be. So let's check this out. Here, I think from the first second, the user gets a great qualitative experience. He sees the items kind of placing themselves on the screen. So from the get-go, clean site, conscious use of color, and yeah, really like it. This one here, very straightforward, high in contrast, but one detail, I just wanted to wink you guys goodbye. Thanks for watching. Take care.